Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your IB in Exness. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for Exness and then open the first link and then sign in or sign up to Exness. If you don't have an account, create an account, and after doing this all you need to do is press on profile and then go to settings. It will open this one and then press on support hub and then press on this live chat assistant. Now all you need to do is just type this message: hi, I would like to change and after send it will ask you to verify your account. It will send you this link, change partner IB, press on it. It will take you to another where you can change your partner IB. You need to select the reason for partner change, new partner's link or wallet account number, where did you find your partner, and then leave a comment and then submit, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.